Hey folks, Ariel over here at Finest. It's a little look at winter's grip loosening around our tiny house here in our high mountain valley, a little over 6,300 feet above sea level. Just a couple weeks ago it was still below zero. That's not snow in the air when it's like 20 below Fahrenheit. The air just sparkles like diamonds because any moisture at all that's in it is frozen. The ducks aren't fazed in the least by the cold. It can be 20 below and I give them some 40-degree water and all they want to do is hop in and get as wet as possible.
That's not smoke, that's just the steam evaporating off the sunny side of the roof. Since the sun is now touching it, it's about 15 below this morning.
Then, while it was still plenty cold and snowy, the first robin returned. When the sun came out, even though it was cold, the edges of the snowpack along gravel and places I'd shoveled or cleared started to melt, which made the ducks very happy. Some of the sunny spots even turned into little puddles for a while because the ground was still very frozen solid, so no milk could get in, and it gave very excellent duck ponds. Then the first red-winged blackbird returned and started to sing their cheerful little song. Zipper has decided the dogs are no longer so terrifying and he actually likes to play frisbee with Burley, the little weirdo. As the gravel started to dry out in spots on the cleared driveway, the chickens could do their dust baths there instead of having to do them all in the gravel under the lean-to where it had been dry all winter. This is the I want a night in the same box you're sitting in at the exact same time, even though there's an identical bucket beside it and another identical bucket right there. You know, why neither of them I'm going to sit on top of you because I want to lay my egg right here, right now as well. I don't know why the ladies do this, but I think it's funny. And they actually both seem content and they're sitting on top of each other. That's Blackie and I can't even tell who's squashed on top of her. Ghost off on that side and Blue. But why we can't use either of the empty buckets, I don't know. I'm not a chicken. Apparently I don't understand. All the footage in this video is filmed over about the course of a week, and you can see how rapidly things are melting with the sun coming out and the garden beds even starting to be exposed. Because our snow depth was so low this year, it's going really quick, which is exciting because it's spring, but a little concerning for the moisture content for the rest of the year. over here at Fineth. Thank you so much for watching these videos and spending some of your very valuable time choosing to do that. We hope you found something that was useful, educational, helpful, maybe save someone else some time and trouble, or just something just plain beautiful. If you don't want to miss any videos, subscribe and hit the bell. And thanks for coming along on our journey as we build a new little homestead with our tiny house and everything to come.